ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಟಮ್ಮಿ ಆನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಡೈವ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ ಮಾರಥಳ್ಳಿಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಫ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯುಸಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆಲಿಕೇಸೀಸ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೇನು ತಿನ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಗೇನ್.
Hi, this is Chef Ruchal, the corporate chef of Jalsa Property. Today I'm here in Dive. I have collected a lot of experience from abroad and domestic as well as, and collective all the things that I have implemented in the Dive, a few innovative things. Coffee infused lamb chops, that is a fusion dish, and normal it is lamb chops I have cooked with the coffee and celery, rosemary and tarragon and lot of things, lot of richness of the herbs you will get over there. Quick gun Murgh, that is one of the most important dish over here. That is it goes with the flaming, so that each and everyone they can feel we are serving the safest and freshest food.
Hello everybody, my name is Mamta. I've been part of this food blogger review today here in Dive. The experience is such an amazing place. It gives you a very different feel when looked outside the city and inside the place. The food is amazing. I really love the biryani and the pasta here, and definitely would try to come again with my friends, because I think this is the best place to hang out with your friends.
Hi, I'm Prayag. So I'm from Delhi, and it's just been a week since I've been in Bangalore, and this is one of the first places that I've started blogging in, and I love the place. I love the ambience, and the food is just amazing. Especially the pasta was one of my favorite things I've had here, and the cocktails are also good. Red wine sangria and white wine sangria, I would especially recommend that. Baked gulab jamun was one of my favorites, and I'd love to explore more places, and especially this one, I'd like to come back again.
Salad panache, that is another part, so that is also creative food over here. So that is innovative food you can try and you can enjoy, and you can make your time very very memorable and very special in Dive. So I do request all of you to visit in Dive and make your time very very special and memorable. Thank you so much.
So we had an amazing experience in Dive the bar. ಇದಿರೋದು ಬಂದು ಮಾರಥಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಲ್ಸಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್. ನಾವಂತೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡೈವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಟಮ್ಮಿ ಆನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಅಂತ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮದು ಪೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಟಮ್ಮಿ ಆನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಅಂತ, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಟ್ವಿಟರಲ್ಲಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸಿ ಯು, ಬಾಯ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್.